Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you are in. I hope that you are having a good day. I haven't done a natural hair video in ages, but I did have my hair cut at Tracie Edmonds Salon, Tracie Edmonds Signature Salon. And I really had some braids. I had a weave, and I decided to just wear my hair out. So I went and just twisted it up, and I used some of my leave-in conditioner, my circa 2009 leave-in conditioner. Ooh, why did I do that on camera? Pardon me. And I also used some Kinky Curly curling custard and some Eco Styler gel. So hopefully they'll last a little while, and I may just keep twisting my hair up and leaving it. I had just been putting bigger twists in, like maybe 4 twists, and then I was wrapping my hair, but it's hot. It's hot in Atlanta, so I decided to just be free and wear my hair out and let it breathe and get some sun. So these are the curls or the twist. They're very curly. And I just wanted to show y'all that. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.